So, Steve Areno, what do we got going on here today? It looks like you're working on a carb.
Yeah.
What's this for?
Oh, this is for my old Arctic cat.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you have to do to it?
Oh, clean it out. They're all full of gum.
Okay.
You know, let it sit over the summer, and gas is bad.
Right,
so
yeah.
I don't want
Okay.
fault.
Did
Yeah, they're full of shit.
okay.
Just like me.
Okay. And corruption. Okay. And then nothing. So what did you have to do to this to
Oh, I
undunk
had
it?
to pull the bowls off and then take the jets out and soak them.
Okay.
Get all that green stuff off there.
Yeah, so are you just putting it all back together right now, or what?
Yeah. I'll just put the carbs back together and then
Okay.
put them back on the snowmobile later, maybe tomorrow.
Okay, so how much of a job was this for you?
Oh, a little bit of a job for myself, but
When you put it all back together, Steve, go out on a limb and put a new fuel filter on.
okay,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
There you go, that's the tip of the day.
Right on.
Okay.
You think you got the right pick there?
Yes.
Okay, when you're finished, I want you to put them back where they come from.
Okay.
That's a boy. No, but you need them now,
I know.
so take it out.
I know.
And I'm only going to tell you this once,
Okay.
or shit's going to hit the fan.
All right.
Okay, good boy.
Thanks, Pops.
Steve's learning something new every day out at the shop.